Hello friends, welcome to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to make a movement of this player, I mean a bird. So we are going to make a movement for this bird. So let's see how to make that. So I'm going to create a script. So let's make a folder called script and then create a script called bird controller, maybe bird movement or whatever. And drag and drop the bird movement to the player. Open the script. So script has been opened now. So first of all we are going to make so whenever the player click on the scene, we are trying to pull up the bird. So that is our first task. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to create rigid body. In order to move, I'm going to take a rigid body. So let's have rigid body RB equal to get component of rigid body. So rigid body 2D, since it's a 2D, I'm going to have a rigid body 2D. So what I have done is I created rigid body 2D variable and I assigned the variable to this particular game object. This is the rigid body I want to get. So I assign this variable RB. So now I'm going to use this RB here. So in order to make a movement, I'm going to use velocity equal to okay. So first of all we want to add a force. So we can add a force with the help of rigid body dot add force. Okay, and then new vector 2. So you need to assign a vector to which position you want to add a force. So I am going to add only in y axis, since our object going to move up and down only in y axis. X axis we are not going to do, because the scene is going to move here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move only ups and down of a bird. So I just made a 0 on the x axis, and on the y axis I'm going to move the object. So what I done, I just added some force. Let's see what's happening. So now you can able to see the player is keep on moving. So I want to avoid that movement, dynamic movement. So what I'm going to do, whenever the user press some event over here, I'm going to make a movement. So I'm going to have if input dot get mouse button down of 0. So whenever user pressing the mouse down button, I am going to add a force. Okay, so let's try. Sorry, it fall down, so we'll try to add. It's getting some issue. Let's see what happens. Try to add a force little bit. Okay, perfect. So the thing is, it needs certain force. So due to that, the issue has been occurred. So now you can able to see the force is started applying over the object. But the issue is, if you see, if it is grounded, it will keep on allowing the user to press the force. So I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to block when the bird is made at the ground, it hit the collision on the ground. I'm going to stop the user pressing the button. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create collision system. So public on collision enter 2D. Okay, so let's see what is the error. Okay, collider 2D. I have some issues here. Okay, it should be void. I'm sorry for that. Okay, public on void on collision enter 2D. It's a function, predefined function. So I'm going to check whether it is grounded or not. So in order to do that, I'm going to create a one boolean variable is grounded equal to false. Okay, once it has been touched the ground, it's going to make it true, because there is only one collision system right now, it's ground. So I'm going to block here is grounded equal to false, then it allow. Okay, so let's check. That's it. No, since it's not grounded equal to true. Okay, it's collision 2D, not collider. Okay, it's perfect now. So make sure that you need to have a collision 2D, not a collider 2D. Okay, so once it's grounded, it has been done. So I'll show you in editor itself. Let's have a public here. So just check here, it will be disabled. Once it touches the ground, it will be enabled, so you can't able to move, but you can see the object is moving slightly on the right side. So I want to block this. In order to block this, make a rotation. So I'm going to freeze rotation. I'm going to enable this. So now you can able to see it won't rotate. Yeah, so that's it. So it's keep on moving upward when the user press, and keep on down when the user So in the next video we are going to make some animation for the each interactions. So let's see in next video. Please follow and subscribe to our channel so that you can see new tutorials in the upcoming videos. So thank you and thanks for watching.